Hey everybody, welcome to Girl Guitar. My name is Mandy Rowden, and I'm going to try to talk you through some basic strumming issues that happen a lot in the early days. First thing we want to talk about is keeping very, very relaxed. It doesn't really matter what kind of cool patterns you come up with. If your right arm or your strumming arm is too tense, then it's not going to sound good. So let these fingers just do what they do. And then just let all this tension out. That's huge. If that's all you do, you're going to see an improvement. From there, talking about patterns, most people start with a basic quarter note down strum like this. And this is a great place to start. It obviously gets a little bit monotonous to listen to, but it's very helpful, especially if you're learning to play and sing at the same time. So don't worry about sticking with this as long as you need to. But adding up strums in between can be very helpful as well to give us some movement. So for example, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I might also vary that and come up only on 2 and 4. So 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. Kind of any pattern you can think of would be useful here in some cases. I might also come up on 2, 3 and 4, which would sound like 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. Another very common variation is to skip the down on 3. This is a little bit more advanced for you beginners, but I would do something like 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. And that sounds kind of interesting too, to get us out of that kind of basic rut we might be in. So the name of the game, remember, is to relax and just try adding some ups in between your quarter notes and see if that doesn't get you off of dead center. There's obviously very far we can go with this, but that might be just the thing you need today. If you want to learn more about what we're talking about in this video or girl guitar in general, you can check out girlguitaraustin.com, and you can also reach me through that website, and I would love to chat with you.